It's quite simple to use modal verbs in passive voice. All you have to do is to add be and put the main verb in past participle form. For example, you can't catch any fish in this lake will become no fish can be caught in this lake. She shouldn't touch any buttons here will become no buttons here should be touched. People could avoid car accidents if they drove more carefully. Will become car accidents could be avoided if people drove more carefully. And when we use the past form of modal verbs in passive voice, we use the following construction: passive subject plus modal verb plus have been plus past participle. For example, she could have killed that cat will become that cat could have been killed. I think we should have hired Jane will become I think Jane should have been hired. Okay, that's about it. See you in the next episode. Stay tuned.